Hello, any and everyone, and welcome back to my collection. My name is Eldritch, and today we are going to be having another look into my collection. But unfortunately, today, I say unfortunately, but not really. It's not Common Rider, so if you're not really into that, I do apologize. But this is my collection, not just my Common Rider toys. So, we're actually doing an unboxing. This isn't the only package. This is just the first one I could get onto the couch quickly. We have the new UX Scorpio Spear. Been really looking forward to that. Packing slip, I don't need that. So that's this guy out of there. Oh, so that's what that dude looks like without his mask. Sick. I've only seen the trailer bit at the end of the last episode. Where he has his mask on. And then next we have the big box. And now I should apologize a little bit for the lack of videos lately. All the stuff that I've been wanting to make videos of has been stuck in the mail. Oh my god, this is so much bigger than I thought it was. This would be the BX-25 gear case. That's sick. It's fucking huge. Alright, next up we have the left winder launcher, because honestly I kind of just felt like the string left launcher was not doing what I wanted it to do. Next up I have the gray grip with the red rubbers. Honestly, just because I already have the Impact Drake launcher, and this also matches the color scheme. They came in a set, so I was like, fuck it, we'll just get those together. And then, if you guys remember my Shelter Drake unboxing from a couple weeks ago, I got all of the yellows. I got 2 yellows. I now have 3 because this is a complete set. Hopefully, Mall of Toys didn't mess it up and they sent me all the correct ones. So, honestly, I'm just going to start with the gear case. Well, since I like showing me slicing stuff up on camera, it's fun. Oop, I feel like it adds that extra bit of fun to the videos. Oh, man. This poor knife. Here, let me slide you guys up. There we go. Awesome. Now, let me see. I think. Sorry about that. That's the air conditioner cutting on just now. Okay, no, this doesn't have what I thought. This, because a lot of the stuff like these will very likely. I say these, like this and the launcher will likely have a QR code on it somewhere. And I don't really want to share that with y'all. No offense, but those are my codes. Shit. Speaking of a code, right? There it was. They was faking my ass out. We'll keep him off to the side there. Okay. And this just comes out. Okay, sick. So I could feasibly put this in something else. Awesome. I like that. I like that a lot. That'll make going to events so much nicer. Yep, we're not doing those. We're gonna go ahead and get these guys out of their packet. There we are. Oh shit. Fuckers went everywhere. Oh, and it's just like the purple ones. Okay, so it's got the little kind of like extendy boy, and then your regulars. Oh, and that in red looks sick. Okay, I'm high-key glad that I decided to get this. I'm just gonna pop these on here real fast to give us a look-see doodle. And you. Oh, damn. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, you know what? We'll just formulate a pile of everything I've opened right back here in the back. There we go. I think I can lower this back down now. Next up will be the left winder launcher. I'm gonna have to be a little bit more careful with this guy. Alright. Alright. Hell yeah. Let me just slice this coat off real quick. Sorry about that. So, for anyone wondering, those cuts are just me taking the code, the QR code out, and setting it aside. Damn. Why did this look so much smaller? I should have brought a regular winder over here. This is just, I don't know, it feels smaller in my hand, but damn, that felt good. And a nice straight rip cord. Well, sort of. It's better than most. That is, I love that color. Like, high key, that is awesome. Okay. So, honestly, I want to save the best for last. I say best, the most important thing for this video. I'm going to save him for last, and we're going to go right into the Shelter Drakes and hope that I got everything that I ordered. Not that I've heard bad things. I just am fearful that a mistake can occur. Although they check them, don't they? Doesn't look very checked. Mm-hmm. All right, that's hilarious. If it'll focus, if I can find focus, you can see it says 570O. This is, I managed to unbox the yellow one first again. Dude, Yellow Shelter Drake has an obsession with me. Alright, homie, since I already know who you are, you're being condemned to the weight pile. I say already, it's not a surprise. I know what I ordered. Out she slides. Okay, fuck yeah. 780 gear point. That's what we like to see. 780 gear point, I do believe, is the red one. The balance. Damn, that was loud. I just rotated the ratchet in the pouch. There we go. Just zip. Oh, damn. That dark red on red looks awesome. And out pops gear point. I do believe gear point, the one on the anime colored unicorn. I do believe it is. And there it is, Red Shelter Drake. Welcome to the collection, my friend. You can join the rest of the red pile back there. Slice. Oop, I got a buzz on my telephone. Yep, hell yeah. And 360 dot, baby. Okay, I guess I can't slice down that side. Very particular, this one. I guess still got tape on it. Show me dot. Damn, and that's almost, that feels almost the same color as Drasil. That just vibrant ass green. Oh, pop. Oh, shit. Damn. Oh, shit. That like greenish gray they got going on the side there for that 360 is honestly pretty hype. Oh, I love this one. This is the vibe of the green. There it is, Shelter Drake, 360 dot, and 780 gear point. Let's go ahead and get yellow open and out of here for the third time. You're just gonna go into the spare parts pile, really. So many spares of this one now. Like, actually, it's ridiculous. Anyway, there's yellow. Brand new set on deck. Love to see it. All right. So now, for the final item of the day, the piece de resistance Scorpio Spear. Who, if you weren't already aware, actually, it comes with the same ripcord that the samurai sword launcher did, which I did bring this over here. Someone was still spinning in there. So this is going to be a very similar ripcord to this, which I feel bad for it because it is currently crammed in this tiny ass box. All right, let's yep, well, whoop. So sorry about that. There was a gigantic bee in here, and I needed to help escort him outside. How is this? Oh, it's like pressure fit. All right, and here's our new ripcord, sealed away from all the monsters. Two bad ones here now, being me with a knife. So, just for shits and giggies, because I did always wonder if they were going, like, once they released this, I say once they released it, once I found out that it existed and it had a longer ripcord, I was always wondering to myself, are they going, this plastic feels different. Like, this is a softer plastic. Okay, I didn't know about that. Is it a little bit longer? No. Okay, I'm just tripping. So that's, I mean, it doesn't really change the vibe too much. So that's good. Let me not ramble on too much about the nonsensities because, well, we have this really cool bay to get to. Relinquish from the tape. It's telling me about other combos I can make. I'm curious. I haven't given a peek as to what their next, like the next mystery bay. I don't care about that. Let's be safe. Oh, it's Fox Brush. We already knew about that one though. No wonder I didn't see anything because it's shit we already knew. Oh, come on now. Don't do this to me. Every time. The launcher pouch is completely wrapped in tape. Like, every single time. Alright, let me give this launcher its cord. I can't wait to see in the show why he has the longer cord. Because I'm sure they'll give a reason. Damn, they really beefed up the plastic on the packet, didn't they? And one more for you. The new bit, which is two-tone? Excuse me? Is anyone else's two different shades of red? I wasn't expecting that. Interesting. So it can only mode change in one direction. Oh, fuck. Come back here, bit. Alright, and there we have Scorpio Spear. Give us a focus, would you? Alright, there we go. Hell yeah. And are we... Okay. So this is launch mode with the... Make it look more circular, and then it'll hit the extreme rail and rotate around. Sweet. Okay, so there is Scorpio Spear. Is it 070Z. Yeah, 070 Zap. In the picture, they're the same colors. So that's interesting. I haven't noticed in anyone else's video. Is the is the bit collar also different colors for anyone else? Let me know. Yeah. So, if you enjoyed this video at all, please do leave a like, comment down below which of these Beyblades you find the most interesting. Honestly, out of all the ones I've opened today, it's definitely Scorpio. Just because, honestly, looks really, really cool. Hopefully the next video I have will be unboxing Fox Brush. Hopefully those get here within a timely manner. I am recording this on the 17th, which is launch day in Japan. So it'll take probably a few days for them to get here and then actually process through the mail system here, which is horrible for me. Like, deadass, one of my packages is missing. I was going to have the CX-04 battle entry set to unbox and actually start using in videos, but it is just MIA. So for now, to end this video off, I'm going to slam these bays into here. We'll just fucking wedge this guy right there. Maybe. Oh no, was this case not made with with you in mind? No, of course not. It was made before you were even a concept. Whoops, I grabbed the rubber bit, which I can actually just chuck up in there. Good lord. Oh no, my mic, I bonked it. I think is this. Maybe not. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Okay, I guess it won't take a winder. So everything except for the winder launches now in the case. So if you enjoyed, please do leave a like, comment down below. Honestly, anything. We can discuss Beyblade or discuss anything, honestly. Yeah. I believe I've said everything that needs to be said. So, with all that, I wish you a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!